After a few minutes of flinging me around in the air, the tornado sat me down on a nearby roof, laughing at me from the distance. Needless to say, I was embarrassed. Having a bully that big can be tough, and I was just hoping no one else had seen me flying around in the air like a dingus. Later that night, though, a thought struck me. No longer was the tornado going to be the one who made me fly. I was going to do it myself. I was going to learn how to fly. Conveniently, there just so happened to be a fancy pilot school just up the mountain, the School for Self-Flyers. So before I knew it, I was on my way. After I healed up, I set out on my journey again. That's when he found me.
Why, hello there, Magnus. You wanting to fly yourself? Come on, let me do it for you.
Just when I'd think I'd lost him, there he'd be again.
Why, Magnus, why you running, huh? Come here, let me toss you a little.
Fortunately for me, his last toss-in left me closer to the castle than I'm sure he wanted. And before I knew it, I had made it. The School for Self-Flyers. It was the strangest thing. I couldn't find a soul. Turned out the tornado was having a bit of fun flinging all the teachers and students nearby. So I guess not only was I going to be self-flying, I was going to be self-taught as well. My body was in pain, but when the dreaded bully returned, it stirred something up in me. Training was over. I was ready for the big time. I was so excited, I made sure that all the passengers' luggage was safe and secure, and even got in some last-minute flying practice. I learned a valuable lesson that day. Not all video game maps have unlimited airspace. That night I cried myself to sleep, but I soon found myself in a dream that I must say seemed to lift me into the sky itself. When you're flying high up inside the sky, you know you'll never have to cry again. Not even in my dreams, I guess.